So this is our PW12 model checkweigher with special software for a live start and stop scale feature. We're going to show you what that means in a few minutes. This is a full stainless steel washdown machine with removable pins for easy removal of the belts to clean. And what I'm going to do now is run. We have a tray of ground coffee as a product example, and we're going to run it across here, and just like a normal checkweigher, as long as it falls within the target weight, it's going to pass right through on down. But the feature that we have here is if the product goes out of spec, we set our low weight and our high weight, so anything outside of that spec, the scale is going to actually stop. And as you can see, the product stops on the scale and it turns into a live scale. This gives the operator the ability to add more product until it meets the required target weight, and then it will automatically continue down the line. This is going to be the same as if there was too much product. The operator can also remove as much or as little as they need to meet that target weight. As part of our washdown package, we have this Plexan HMI cover with a hinged door. That way when you're washing your machine down, you can leave the door down, and when you're operating the machine, you just want to lift up so you can access the HMI that way. So as part of our washdown package, we have our quick removal, easy to clean belts. It's only a few steps in the process, and it takes about a minute or so to do. Here's how it's done. First, you want to unlock or quick disconnect motors. Next, you want to loosen the 4 thumb screws, 2 on each side of the conveyor. Once you lift up and remove the conveyor from the frame, you're going to want to remove the 2 quick disconnect pins, again, 1 on each side of the conveyor. Where the roller is, the belt will fold up. Once the belt folds up, this will loosen the belt for quick removal. Once you finish cleaning the belt, you're going to want to put it back onto the conveyor and push down on the knuckle using the pins to lock it in place. Next, you want to put the conveyor back onto the frame using the 4 thumb screws in their slotted holes. Once the conveyor is tight and secure, you plug the motor cable back in and you're ready to run. If you have any questions about this checkweigher or any of our other equipment, you can email us at info@allfill.com or give us a call at 610-524-7350.